Prima Bathing Systems are the perfect fit for any pet grooming salon for many reasons. With no plumbing required, your Prima Bathing System goes where you need it, when you need it. And it comes ready with everything you need to customize your station. If you need a dual station, Prima adapts. With a second pickup line, you can access special medicated or flea treatment solutions without interrupting your operational flow. This flexibility, in addition to its low water and shampoo usage, makes the Prima Bathing System perfect for any pet professional, especially mobile groomers, when water conservation is a must. In pet grooming, it is rare to have the opportunity to cut costs without sacrificing quality. But with Prima Bathing Systems, quality is the byproduct of efficient engineering, which significantly reduces the amount of water and shampoo you use. And because the shampoo is pressurized and aerated into a foam, less is needed to efficiently penetrate the coat and cleanse the pets you bathe, reducing water usage by as much as 84% and shampoo by more than half. And this technology allows you to double your dilution rates without losing the effectiveness of your products. With shampoo costs ranging anywhere from $15 to $54 per gallon and up, it doesn't take long for Prima to give you a return on your capital investment. Speaking of investment, I have been the proud owner of a Prima Bathing System, using it professionally in my grooming salon for 15 years, my friends. It is a workhorse. In addition to the savings on shampoo and water, groomers report that they can now wash in 45 minutes what would once take them as much as 2 hours, such as this large Newfoundland. Not to mention that you are no longer going to have to be bending over to work with your hands in awkward positions, hurting your back and arms, because the Prima Bathing System applies the shampoo solution under high pressure. There's no need to scrub the solution down into the coat, especially on those pets with thick, heavy coats. This also makes reaching the underside of your pet very easy. The high pressure coupled with oxidation penetrates to the skin, and it helps reduce tangles, knots, and matting. We all know what that's like. That leaves you with just a few simple brush strokes to get the pet clean. All this helps to reduce the stress and strain on your body as well as the pet. Prima uses low water flow and high pressure to clean pets without the extra work of pre-wetting or scrubbing. But to me, as a professional pet groomer, one of the things that is so attractive to me about the Prima Bathing System is that it is the only bathing system on the market for pets that is not a recirculating system, meaning it only uses clean water. It does not recirculate dirty water back onto the pet. But one of the things that I have noticed over the years of using this system is that the shampoo rinses so freely from the coat and effortlessly. It rinses quickly, leaving no buildup, no residue behind in the coat, perfectly preparing the coat for the drying, brushing, and trimming process. And we all know how important the prep is for our dog's trim. We have to properly prepare the skin and coat in order to achieve a professional result. Why do I use the Prima Bathing System over other options that are available on the market? It gives me the ability to produce a better groom at a lower cost. Groomers who use the Prima Bathing System will outperform their competitors.